A dental implant is an excellent treatment for replacing missing teeth. Root form implants, the most common kind of dental implant, are small titanium posts that replace the roots of the missing teeth. Custom-fitted artificial teeth are secured to the implants, which hold the teeth firmly in place. Some restorations, like single crowns and bridges, are not removable. Others, like many full-arch dentures, can be removed for sleeping and cleaning. Depending on the situation, placing an implant involves several phases, and treatment times can vary widely. First, we must determine if an implant is right for you by discussing your health history and treatment goals, and performing a comprehensive exam to check the health of your gums and jawbone. We'll also determine if you need any additional procedures, such as bone grafting or gum surgery. To begin the procedure, we shape a channel in the bone and then place the implant into the prepared space. At this point, it may be possible to place a temporary restoration. Over the course of the next few months, the implant will become securely fused to the bone. The last step is to secure your beautiful final restoration. Implants have several benefits. They stimulate the jawbone when you chew, preserving the jawbone and keeping it healthy. They're also strong, comfortable, and secure, and they look and feel just like natural teeth. With careful home care and regular checkups and cleanings here in our office, an implant can be an excellent long-term solution for missing teeth.